Ready to turn your connections into cash with WHOP? Let's dive into creating your unique affiliate link in WHOP to start earning commissions right away. First, you'll need to log into your WHOP account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile settings, usually found in the top right corner or within your account dashboard. Look for an icon or menu item that says Profile, Settings, or Account. From your profile settings, look for the Affiliate section or Affiliate Dashboard. This might be in a side navigation panel or under a Monetization or Partnerships tab. Click on it. Boom, here's your personalized affiliate link. It's unique to you, so anyone who signs up or purchases through this link directly credits you the commission. Next to the link, there will probably be a copy link button. Click it to copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have your link, the fun begins. Share it on your social media, in your email newsletters, on your blog, or anywhere else your audience hangs out. Sharing the link to your audience of choice. That's all there is to it. You're now armed with your exclusive WHOP affiliate link. Get out there, share the power of WHOP, and watch your earnings grow.